This 2008 Dutchmen DSL 37Q is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2008 Dutchmen DSL 37Q is 9,541 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.